What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. In this video, if you're new to this channel, what we'll be talking about is mainly the price of Ethereum, but also in connection to some fundamentals, some big fundamentals coming tomorrow in the afternoon, kind of depending on where you live, obviously, but still. So that's what we'll be talking about. I do this daily. I also cover other cryptos every day. There's an upload schedule in the Discord server. So if you'd be interested in that, consider subscribing. But for now, let's dive right into it. Ethereum volume, relatively low, not dangerous, not shockingly low. Ethereum's volume over the last month has been relatively low relative to its volume the months before that. And if you take a look at the price, what you can see is that yesterday my analysis was that we kind of had that bearish breakout. We would drop down to 12.75, then find some support, and then after that support start dropping down towards 12.25 until we get that big news event tomorrow in the afternoon. And that big news event is, to kind of bridge it over, is the inflation rate coming out from the United States. All right, you can check that out at myfxbook.com and then click the economic calendar. This always makes the market move. There are two fundamental events every month that make the market move a lot. That's the inflation rate and the interest rate. Very connected with each other, obviously. So what it would also mean, in general, a higher inflation rate is bad for crypto because the interest rate is probably going up. And it's going, and the economy, all right, it's suffering. And a lower one is bullish because that means some relative recovery, and also we don't need to increase interest rates that much. So this is going to make the market move. More about that later on in this video, and also tomorrow morning, I'll do a full interest rate or inflation rate update. For now though, what it looks like to me is that we have found some support at 12.75. We're looking nice, strong and bullish. So I think we'll actually have a possibility to go all the way up to 1300. We could even go up to this level here around 1315. Looks pretty likely, but from there I do think we'll find resistance. And it seems obvious to me, and I said that yesterday as well already, it seems obvious to me that 12.25, it doesn't seem likely that we'll reach that, right? That's quite a big drop in a short period of time. So what will probably happen is that we'll find resistance between 1300 and 1315, and then drop back down again. But then probably the price around this time tomorrow will be around 12.75, maybe 12.50 in a bearish scenario. So we have dropped down a little bit, but not too much. I suppose I don't expect any big bearish volatility, especially not ahead of the inflation rate numbers. That usually never happens. So I think we'll be somewhere there, and if the inflation rate is actually higher than expected, I think we'll instantly see a drop down to 1200, with a very dangerous potential to drop down to 1100, which would be a massive bearish breakout. But on the other hand, if it's actually lower than expected, I think we'll get up to 1350 immediately and have quite a big chance to actually break that. All right, and do something like this. So more about that and in depth about that tomorrow. Tomorrow we also know almost 100% what the price will be at the time of the outcome of the news event. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. Most importantly, of course. And yeah, I hope to see you all tomorrow. So take care and bye.